that? What was that? Two types of coal?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 4
anthracite,
types of coal.
Ma'am, there are 4 types of coal.
What are they?
Anthracite, bituminous,
Anthracite, bituminous, lignite, and peat.
1, 2, 3.
Which is the best quality of coal?
anthracite,
Anthracite.
Why?
Anthracite.
Why?
because
It's
it is hardest,
it
Ma'am, it's the
brightest,
hardest,
Because it
brightest, and
is
the
the
best
hardest and the
90%
best
quantity
of
of
quality
coal.
of
carbon and
coal.
emits little
yeah,
smoke.
And it also
little
contains
smoke is
90% of carbon and
carbon
emits
and emits the
little
little
smoke.
smoke. It's very little smoke. It's the hardest, brightest, and
And
best
brightest.
quality of coal. Yeah. Now, coal is widely it is used in different industries. Can you tell me? Like
Iron
steel industry,
industry,
huh?
steel
Thermal power,
industry, and thermal power
Thermal
stations.
power
station.
stations.
Power
Huh.
industry.
In olden times,
Iron
yes,
is iron and steel industry and thermal power stations.
even coals were used in railways, isn't it?
Railways,
Yes, ma'am.
trains,
Yeah.
all
Now
type of
we have
trains.
electric. Yes. Now we are having electric trains. No. So
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
it was in widely used in those days. Now,
Metro
moreover, it is
also.
also moreover it is also used as a raw material in various chemical industries. Also, these coals are still in use. Now, in as I think so, Shashank Tiwari has marked the world map of coal, the area where in the world the coals are found. Can you tell what you have marked in your world map? Country like USA, Russia, China, Australia, India, Germany,
In
यूक्रेन,
Germany.
कजाकिस्तान, साउथ अफ्रीका, है ना? ये सारे और इंडिया
Yes,
में
ma'am.
कहाँ पे है? इंडिया में कहाँ है? झारखंड,
India,
Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh,
Jharkhand,
West
Madhya
Bengal,
Jharkhand,
Pradesh,
Madhya
Odisha, West
Pradesh,
Telangana,
Bengal,
वेस्ट
Madhya
बंगाल,
Pradesh,
मध्य
Telangana, and
प्रदेश,
Maharashtra.
Maharashtra
तेलंगाना
Pradesh,
एंड
Maharashtra,
Maharashtra,
तेलंगाना एंड
Jharkhand,
Chhattisgarh,
महाराष्ट्र.
Odisha.
Madhya Pradesh, Telangana.
हाँ, तेलंगाना एंड झारखंड.
Jharkhand.
हाँ. Okay. Now let's discuss about the petroleum. I've already given you one
Ud-
uh, the way how the oil is getting drilled, isn't it? So what about the petroleum? It's also a mineral oil and it is also very widely used as a source of power. Petrol, diesel and kerosene oil all are the byproduct of petroleum. Mineral oil as an industrial power. It is also very widely used and run machines, isn't it? Now, can you tell me to generate electricity and produce the steam? Railway engines, motor vehicle, and ships depend upon it for their fuel requirement. And it is used as a lubricant in the machines and petrochemicals industry for preparing rubber, synthetic fiber, etc.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
what is the meaning of lubricants?
Lubricant, I am telling you, it's a byproduct of petroleum, isn't it? The whatever when you take out the petroleum in the drilling process, what happens? There are certain grease and lubricant which is left out after getting the purified petroleum, isn't it? So each and every particle which is left out after the purification of petroleum, isn't it? What happens? This is also these left out things, residue are also transformed into other products, other byproducts of petroleum, isn't it? Other byproducts of petroleum, these are used.
Yes.
And yesterday also I tell you about the this Vaseline, isn't it? And
Yes, ma'am.
these are used in just flow out of big merchant ships, isn't it? वहाँ पे merchant ships को
Fighter
पानी में
ships.
उसको करने के लिए ग्रीसिंग किए जाते हैं, तो कनस्टर जो ग्रीस होते हैं वो ग्रीस यूज किए हुए ग्रीस भी होते हैं, isn't it? और हमारा जो पेट्रोलियम जेली होता है वो हम लोग वैसलीन के रूप में यूज करते हैं. तो इस प्रकार से हमारे देखिए बहुत सारे ऐसे बाय प्रोडक्ट्स हैं पेट्रोलियम के जो पेट्रोलियम से ही बने होते हैं. वो हमारे गाड़ियों में, मशीन्स में, मोटर में, यहाँ तक कि आपको लगेगा ना, some clothes are also washed with the petroleum wash. Have you seen?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? Have you seen those big machines from which this petroleum wash is done? Sometimes, and it's very costly also. No? Some laundries are there, and they say that we'll do petroleum wash. So what does it mean? What does it mean that petroleum wash? Have you seen? Have you ever seen? बड़े
No,
बड़े
ma'am.
शॉप्स में बड़े बड़े ऐसे लॉन्ड्रीज में होते हैं जहां आप इस चीज को देखेंगे कि पेट्रोलियम वॉश होता है, पेट्रोल से भी कपड़े धोए जाते हैं। देखे आपने?
No, ma'am.
नहीं देखे? ठीक है, you tell your father to take you to some nearby laundry for there you can see the petroleum wash, how they do. Okay, now we will also discuss about that 60% of petroleum is obtained from the Middle East countries, isn't it? Region around Black Sea, Caspian Sea. Shashank, have you noted down this Black Sea and Caspian Sea, Persian near Persian Gulf and Red
No,
Sea
ma'am.
also? हाँ, वो सी बच्चा जरूर मैप में दिखाना है, सबको दिखाना है. आई एम नॉट ओनली टॉकिंग टू शशांक, आई एम टॉकिंग टू पावनी एंड ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स which way I'm
Okay, ma'am.
having.
मैं आज करके भेज दूंगा.
Srishti is there, Shivangi Singh is there, huh? Sanjay Kumar is there, Yash, Janvi Singh, Priyanshu Ranjan, Aditi Raj, Anshu Kumar, Mayank Kumar, Arani, Naina, Anshuka, Sahil Raja, है ना, सोम्या, संबिता, पावनी, मोहितराज कौंडिल्या. So I must say the all students name, because if I'll not say their name they will feel bad. So I'm saying to all of you to please make a world map and just mark all this sea, Black Sea, Caspian Sea and Persian Gulf, Red Sea also. यहीं पे हमें बहुत ही ज्यादा अनुपात में पेट्रोलियम मिलते हैं. World largest reservoir of petroleum is these three areas. It is mainly
Ma'am.
obtained from the Southwest Asian countries. Yes? बोलिए.
I make the India map. Is it correct or wrong?
I've seen your India map. It is correct. But whenever you see, have the political map also, or if sometimes you're marking it in physical map, what you have to see that if your iron reserve or your coal reserve area is in Madhya Pradesh or it is in Jharkhand, you must know the exact area of it, isn't it? Means
Yes,
you can't mark Jharkhand in Madhya Pradesh or Maharashtra in Madhya Pradesh or Gujarat in Madhya Pradesh. That you can't do. At least boundary line you must know, isn't it? That is very much essential for you. So Southwest Asian countries are a great reservoir of petroleum. Now we'll see the countries with the world biggest oil reservoir are Venezuela, South Africa, Canada,
Ma'am,
Iran,
South Arabia.
हाँ, South Arabia, Canada, Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, UAE, Russia, Libya, and Nigeria and USA. ये सारे चीजों को आपको पता होना चाहिए कहाँ कहाँ पे. अब कोई पूछ ले आपसे कि कुवैत कहाँ है ना, लीबिया कहाँ है, तो आपको अभी the work which is done now you are going to mark in the world map. Next, the petroleum reservoir beneath the North Sea are extracted and used by UK, Germany, Netherlands, Denmark. Denmark बहुत आता है, आपको दिखाना होगा. Denmark, Netherlands, ना, even Germany and Norway. Now in these are I'm read out the country's name. So where they get petroleum? In the Northern Sea, beneath the Northern Sea, and so petroleum are extracted from these areas. Now we'll talk about the reservoir in India. In India, the petroleum reservoir are found in Assam,
Gujarat.
Gujarat,
and
the
off the coast of
coast of
Maharashtra.
Maharashtra.
Huh. Already I have showed you the picture. Can you see
They
now?
also
Oil
found
drilling.
in Godavari and
Krishna.
They are also
Godavari and
found in the
Krishna.
delta
Delta
region of
regions.
Godavari and Krishna. Now let's
Ma'am,
talk about the let's talk
ma'am,
about the
petroleum is
natural.
also called black gold.
Yeah, it's also known as a black gold. Now we'll talk about the natural gas. Natural gas is mostly obtained along the mineral oils, isn't it? ये वहीं पे मिलेंगे जहाँ पे हमें mineral oils मिलते हैं. However, sometimes exclusive gas resources are also found. It is widely used to run vehicles as CNG. Have you heard this name? CNG?
Yes, ma'am.
Compressed natural gas? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Where do we use this CNG? These are
On vehicles, in vehicles.
For vehicles.
throughout the world. And it is also transported by the pipeline over a great distance. Have you seen this
Yes, ma'am.
natural gas and oil in big cities like Bombay, metropolis area? Na? This even LPG gas, they are also sent by the through the pipeline. Have you seen it? These gas
Oh, ma'am.
are these are sent by the pipelines, just like your electricity meter. They also have the meter in their flat or apartment. And
Yes, ma'am.
pipes
Yes,
are
ma'am. मेरे फ्लैट में भी आ गया है लग रहा है एलपीजी
कहाँ पे?
गैस
पटना में?
पाइपलाइन.
पटना में?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Very nice.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
nice. Very good.
मैम इधर के सारे एरिया में लग रहा है.
कहाँ पे?
सबके फ्लैट में.
Which
मैम
area you are
इधर
residing?
मैम इधर इसके पूरा मैम आरपीएस बेरी रोड
Hmm. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
सारे अपार्टमेंट्स में लग रहा है मैम इधर तो.
Okay. तो ये नेचुरल गैस है ना, इट्स फाउंड इन रशिया, ईरान, कतार, यूएसए, सऊदी अरेबिया,